Want to protect your privacy and browse safely on your iPhone? Here's how to set up and use a VPN. Completely free and without any advanced configuration. The easiest way is through the App Store. Just open the App Store, tap Search and type VPN. You'll see many options, some free, some paid. Choose a reliable one like Proton VPN 1.1.1.1 or any with good reviews. Download and install the app. Once installed, open the app and follow the prompts. Most VPN apps will ask you to tap Connect, and then show a pop-up saying the app wants to add VPN configurations. Tap Allow, then enter your passcode or Face ID to approve. Within seconds, you'll see a small VPN icon in your status bar or control center. This means you're protected. To disconnect, simply open the VPN app again and tap Disconnect. You can also go to Settings, General VPN, and Device Management to manage or remove VPN profiles at any time. That's it. Whether you want extra security on public Wi-Fi or to browse privately, this is the fastest way to use a VPN on your iPhone running iOS 26. If this helped, tap like, drop your favorite VPN app in the comments, and subscribe for more smart iPhone tips.